Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on Nintendo Switch step by step. Power on the Switch, select the user profile, and choose the Super Mario game icon to start. Use the left stick to move and the A button to jump. Hold ZL to aim and press Y for special moves. Follow on-screen tutorials for boss fights and collect coins to earn extra lives and unlock secrets. In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on Nintendo Switch step by step. Familiarize yourself with the Joy-Con layout before starting a level to feel confident. Practice running and timed jumps in a safe area to master platforming. Use camera adjustments for better view and tap the touchscreen in handheld mode when prompted. Keep an eye on the coin counter and life meter to plan your route and avoid hazards. In this video, I will review how to play Super Mario on Nintendo Switch step by step. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker can brighten your gaming area with music and voice controls, and it pairs nicely with multiplayer sessions. Look in the description for the link and current deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to play Super Mario on Nintendo Switch step by step. Approach each level with patience and scan for alternate routes that offer rewards. Use power-ups strategically rather than immediately to save them for boss rooms. Practice wall jumps and momentum techniques to clear long gaps and replay levels to improve timing. Stay calm after mistakes and learn the pattern for each challenge to progress steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.